Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in South Jordan today, and we are in the Daybreak community. This master plan has a lot of amenities. There's swimming pools, walking trails, kids bike courses, and it's an awesome place to live. And I'm going to take you on a tour of this townhome, and it has 4 bedrooms. The basement's finished. There's a 2-car garage in the back, and then there's a little patio area in between the garage and the house that you can see here from this footage as well. And so now I'll take you on a tour of this home. All right, so here in the entryway, we've got a coat closet right here in the entry. And then we do have a front formal room here. And it's been opened up to expand into the great room, so that way it's not so compartmentalized in here. We do have 9-foot tall ceilings, nice archways in these transition areas. And here's the great room. So we've got a laminate engineered hardwood right here. And this way we've got a little pantry area. And then we've got the half bath right here and then laundry here. This laundry room's been upgraded with nice shiplap trim. And then we do have the 2-car garage here. So the 2-car garage is attached to the home. And right here we've got the little space between the garage and the house for a nice patio. So here you could have a little barbecue area, a couple of outdoor furniture pieces, and enjoy some privacy. And now I'll take you upstairs to where 3 of the bedrooms are at. All right, so up here we've got vaulted ceilings. The master has very nice tall ceilings here. Then the master bathroom right here. We've got double sinks in here. The countertops were upgraded to adult height countertops. We have the separate tub and shower combination, and the tub is pretty wide. And then here we've got a closed door option for the toilet area. Next door, we've got a walk-in closet. This is a pretty large closet, pretty deep. Again, has the vaulted ceilings. And then down the hall, we've got 2 more bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 2. And it does have a closet here and also has vault ceilings. And then here's bedroom number 3. So this is a cute bedroom here, good size. Then we have the hall bath serving these guest bedrooms. And here's a shower here. And then now I'll take you downstairs. All right, so down here in the basement, we've got the 4th bedroom right here. This one is the largest guest bedroom that's in the townhome, and it has the largest closet as well. So a nice walk-in closet here with built-in shelves, good hanging racks, and so yeah, very nice can lights. And then this way, we have the living room. Got a good sized living area here, and there's no windows, so it's actually really good to have like for a movie room, things like that. Good storage areas. So here's the utility closet. It's got a 50-gallon water heater. You have your furnace, and down this way, we've got the Harry Potter closet here under the stairs. And we have the 3rd full bathroom. And this one's also the most recently done. It's got modern materials, has nice quartz countertops, the 12x24 tile, and a tile floor that looks like wood. So this is a really nice bathroom. I hope you enjoyed watching that video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home, as well as some of the features and benefits of the community and the home. If you'd like to see this in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.